Super exciting and breaking news just in. The state of Texas Bitcoin bill HB4474 gets the Senate approval, and it's now the law, just awaiting a formalities signatures. What's up, YouTube community? Welcome to Invest Desk, your #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing, research, daily news updates and forecast. My name is Syed, and today, of course, is Thursday, and some exciting news, huge news in fact, and we'll talk about what really makes it huge and what's happening within the crypto world, especially with Bitcoin. And of course, if it happens with Bitcoin, it happens with all of the rest of the cryptos. So I'm going to go ahead and jump directly into the Texas Bitcoin bill. It was just passed, and it's now the law in Texas. Now, what is this bill all about? That's exactly what we are going to cover and take a look at. I'm going to make this live stream a little short today. I got some work, but I want to make sure that I cover as much important detail so you guys can make informed decisions moving forward for your crypto investments and strategies. So this is huge news, by the way, and I want to make sure that you guys get it, right? So let me set up my chat quick here. Thanks so much for tuning in. And those of you who are just joining, if you're new, please consider subscribing and smash that like button while you're here. That is super appreciated. And of course, I'm always thankful to all of you. All right, so I'm going to directly jump into the bill here and talk about it. So this is just in. Bitcoin bill gets Senate approval, and Texas, in addition to the state of Wyoming, by the way, is one of the the second state, or the earlier on states, that passed the bill early morning today after being passed by the House of Representatives on May 11th. So it was originally tabled on May 11th, but finally it got the approval today. And what is this bill all about? So the newly passed Bitcoin bill recognizes Bitcoin and other digital assets. That's what we're looking at, because we're talking about Dogecoin, guys. We're talking about SafeMoon, right? We're talking about Bitcoin and other digital assets under the state's commercial laws. And this is the state of Texas within the United States. The approval of the bill would make Texas another crypto and blockchain friendly state similar to Wyoming. All right. So, yeah, we can clap our hands. That's crazy. That is just absolutely crazy. And I'm going to go through the law also, by the way, quickly. So this is, of course, the breaking news. No doubt. This is actually not just breaking news. This is huge news for the crypto industry. Bitcoin is now legal, and other digital assets are also legal in commercial laws within Texas. That's right, folks. That's the way we like it. That's the way it happens, right? So the new bill number is HB Harry Bravo 4474, passed the Senate this morning, and it's on its way to @Greg Abbott _Texas TX to become the law. And of course, that's the governor. So the said bill was passed with a resounding 9-0 vote. So everyone voted in favor of Bitcoin, guys. That's the bill. And now needs the signature of Texas Governor Greg Abbott, which seems a formality given that he has already stated that he is in favor of new crypto regulations. So the virtual currency bill clarifies that control can be established regardless of whether the power to control is shared with another person, which is a critical element for banks and other non-bank financial institutions to effectively provide custody services for virtual currencies. And Texas is currently the second largest economy in the US, guys. This is not small. It's one of the largest states. So Texas is the second largest economy within the US and the 9th largest economy in the world. Check this out. I just highlighted it. I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to tell you guys. This is absolutely crazy. This is huge news, not only for Texas, the state of Texas, but actually for the crypto industry, guys, we got to be celebrating this, man. I mean, this is crazy. This is absolutely phenomenal. So the second largest economy in the US is now legally accepting, it's the law within commercial contracts. You can have Bitcoin, you can transact in Bitcoin, you can contract in Bitcoin. That's amazing, right? So yeah, smash that like button, guys. This is absolutely wonderful. I mean, thank you so much for being here, first off, and second, if you're new, please subscribe, and of course, yeah, give it a thumbs up if you like the content, because InvestS is the research channel for you guys. All right, so not only is the second largest economy in the US, but it's the largest, or it is the 9th largest economy in the world. So just imagine the trade, the business, the transactions that are happening within just the state of Texas as compared to the entire world. The 9th largest economy. I don't know, that's crazy. All right, there's more to it. There's just absolutely more to it, guys. Check this out. 25 states in the US currently considering some form of blockchain crypto regulation. So things are moving very, very fast, and I covered that yesterday in the stream. I talked about it. It's like May 27, 2021, and we're talking about 25 more states considering some form of blockchain crypto regulations. And what they're trying to do is introduce some form of legislature related to blockchain technology or cryptocurrencies, including states like Nevada, awesome, New Jersey, yep, and Rhode Island. And Texas Senate approval could pave the way for other states to follow the suit. And yeah, it's going to do it. It has already done it, guys. If Texas can do it, boom, the rest of the states are also going to do it. If Wyoming can do it, yeah, everyone else is going to do it. And that's just a matter of time. So the year 2021 is very, very critical, guys. This is a very, very important time, and this is history. Yeah, we're making history right here on InvestS as your channel, guys. This is crazy. This is absolutely nuts. Anyways, let's continue. Texas Senate approval could pave the way for other states to follow the suit. Texas could now see a steady influx of crypto companies in the state, and there is regulatory certainty and no fear of crackdowns. Forget China, man. Forget it. If they want to ban crypto, boom. Texas welcomed it. It's the law. Check it out. Come over to Texas, right? We're going to invite all of our Chinese friends to come over to Texas, open up companies, open up, mining operations, whatever they want to do. It's one of the largest states. Hey, that's perfect. Set up a windmill in Texas. Do whatever you want to do. There are already Bitcoin farms in Texas anyways. I've covered this in the previous streams. So apart from Texas, Miami mayor is also pushing, or is quite bullish on Bitcoin, and currently discussing regulations around paying state employees in Bitcoin and investing in Bitcoin from the state treasury. Now that's Florida, right? That's Miami, which is in the state of Florida. I've covered this, I think, last 4 weeks ago, this particular news about the mayor of Miami trying to pay the employees in Bitcoin. But of course, it didn't pass where the regulators or the state representatives did not vote to say yes. So they said that they will first educate the people or the employees of the city of Miami before they're actually paid in Bitcoin. So we're gonna get paid in Bitcoin. I mean, you're gonna get a paycheck in what? In cryptocurrency? That's crazy. Talk to me, guys. Let me know in comments what you think. This is absolutely nuts, right? Absolutely crazy, crazy, crazy. So yes, Texas rocks. You bet. I'm with you on this. Another dose of speed. Thank you so much for your comment. Texas does rock, because this is one of the most progressive states and most open states that are actually passing the law to accept Bitcoin, right? In their commercial contracts. That's under the state's commercial laws. All right, let me show you the law. Let me in fact show you the law. I have it in PDF. If you want this in PDF, I'm going to put this link in the description. Of course, you can always search it yourself, but this is the law. It's only 3 pages, so I'm going to go over this. This is just absolutely, this is making history, guys. So I want to make history with you guys. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. If you just joined in, thank you so much. And if you are considering subscribing, please do. And of course, smash that like button while you're here, because InvestS is your #1 crypto research channel. All right, so here's the law. A bill to be entitled an act relating to control of virtual currency and the rights of purchasers who obtain control of virtual currency for purposes of the Uniform Commercial Code. Section 1. I'm just going to highlight some of the important ones here so we understand. Of course, I'm not going to read it all, even though it's a very, very short and concise bill. But it says virtual currency means digital representation of value that functions as a medium of exchange, a unit of account, and store of value. I covered that in yesterday's stream. Go check it out. Let's continue. And is often secured using blockchain technology. Perfect. So the control of virtual currency is a purchaser has a control of a virtual currency if, number 1, the virtual currency or a system in which the virtual currency is recorded, if applicable, gives the purchaser the power to derive substantially all of the benefit from the virtual currency, and, subject to subsection C, the exclusive power to prevent others from deriving substantially all of the benefits from the virtual currency, and transfer control of the virtual currency to another person or cause another person to obtain control of a virtual currency that derives from the virtual currency. They use a lot of words. They're repeating virtual currency. Geez, that's crazy. But yeah, this is the idea, right? So just go through the law. If you need to read it, just a few pages on PDF, but this is just perfect, guys. I cannot say this enough. Texas has done it. Texas rocks. And thank you, of course. We need to thank the state, of course, and all the representatives and all the people, because Bitcoin is now sort of legal. Yeah, it's the law in Texas. So if you are in Texas right now, give me a shout out. Let me know in comments if you're in Texas right now, or if you're a resident there. Awesome. Many congratulations to you guys. You guys are leading this Bitcoin or cryptocurrency industry, and that's absolutely what we need. And if the US can do it, we can do it. Boom, the whole world is going to follow suit, guys. This is now getting in the mainstream. This is amazing. So this news is all over the place. Texas law creates legal clarity for Bitcoin. This is NASDAQ.com. So the bill formally defines virtual currencies. I just read the law for you, and offers individuals and businesses a clear legal environment for Bitcoin investment. So, not bad. So the virtual currency bill is now on its way to Governor Greg Abbott's desk to be signed into law. And advocates of the bill expect swift action from the governor, who tweeted this March already, right? Way back in March, "Count me in as a crypto law proposal supporter. It is increasingly being used for transactions and is beginning to go mainstream as an investment. Texas should lead on this." That's what the governor said, right? And you bet, Texas is leading. It is legal in Texas, and if it's illegal in Texas, it is the 9th largest economy in the world, Texas alone, and the largest economy in the US. I mean, check it out, guys. This is not a small thing. This is absolutely huge, and it is not just for Bitcoin. The law states that it's for other digital assets also, which is crazy. That includes Dogecoin, SafeMoon, Ethereum, Cardano, you name it, all digital assets. So the new law definitely marks a major milestone for Bitcoin's transition into the mainstream. By recognizing the legal status of virtual currencies, Texas will likely see an increase in Bitcoin investors and businesses attracted to the certainty the new law provides. I mean, that's I mean, that's huge, guys. That is absolutely huge. So, many, I'm super happy for the entire crypto industry, all of you guys, everyone. And a big shout out, of course, to all the Texans. Everyone in the state of Texas must celebrate, because this is a huge, yeah, it's huge news. So I wanted to break this right here at InvestDesk for all of you guys. And this is, of course, crazy. And we will see, hopefully, Bitcoin going up in time, and just a matter of time where now Bitcoin goes back up to where it was at an all-time high. And of course, all the rest of the digital currencies, the entire crypto industry is, of course, growing like bonanza, guys. This is exponential growth for the crypto, and a huge success for the crypto adoption as legal tender, right? This is legal. This virtual currency is now legal in the state of Texas. And of course, other states are also following, like 25 other states are considering some form of blockchain crypto regulation. That means they're just working day in and day out, just coming up with, of course, their own laws and making sure that their citizens, their residents within those states are also protected and they're able to use cryptocurrencies. And that kind of makes sense, because if one of the states is recognizing or is a law, right, as a matter of law, that you can use Bitcoin, well, what about other states, right? So if all states recognize this, boom, that means the United States recognizes it. And what that means in turn, that the whole world will definitely also open up and be able to recognize it. And if this all happens, we know what that means, guys. Yeah, it is done. It is done, which means cryptocurrency will be the new currency and fiat is gone. It's gone. Just a matter of time, guys, whether it's 2 months, 3 months, or Q3, quarter 3 or 4, but definitely this year is huge. So once again, many congratulations to all of you guys. If you are in Texas, definitely big shout out. You guys rock, man. This is crazy. Absolutely wonderful news to see Texas Bitcoin bill gets Senate approval. All right. So apart from this news, let's continue on with a couple of other news before I end the stream, because this is one of the main reasons I streamed today. This is absolutely crazy. Go through it. Let me know in comments what you think about the crypto industry, and especially with other states, and what is happening within your own state and how you like to see it. Whether it's Bitcoin, whether it's Dogecoin, whether it's SafeMoon, or other cryptocurrencies or other digital assets. All right, so this is, of course, InvestDesk. My Twitter handle is @invest_desk. So if you want to go check that out and follow, that's much appreciated. And of course, let's start with our crypto assets that we have in our portfolio. We have Dogecoin. And we'll start with Dogecoin first, which is at 33 cents, 33.28, which is not bad. It's, it has made a nice floor at about the same price. So we're doing okay with Dogecoin, because it is still at 33 cents, 35 cents. That's where it's at. When we started with Dogecoin, it was about 4.5 to 5 cents. That was our average buy at InvestDesk, and I run the weekly portfolio analysis every weekend on Saturday. So we crunch the numbers on Saturday. So make sure you subscribe, and of course, smash the like button and the bell notification so you get notified every time I'm streaming and we're taking a look at our portfolio. So Doge is at 33 cents, not bad. We're super happy how Doge is doing, with the Bitcoin, of course, going up because of this news and because of its legal adoption in the state of Texas. Wyoming and other states are also going to follow suit, guys. Just a matter of time. But Bitcoin is doing fairly well, 33 cents. Let's go to, of course, SafeMoon. SafeMoon is at 0.504637 with over 2.2 million holders, right? Even higher. So yeah, it's amazing how SafeMoon project itself, cryptocurrency, is actually booming, exponentially growing all across the globe, and they're strategically managing to establish a strong foothold in various parts of the world, especially with this latest integration with the Gambia, which is a country in West Africa, and they're working with the central bank and integrating SafeMoon as a cryptocurrency so that all of the 2.5+ million people in the Gambia, which is a country in West Africa, can, of course, transact in SafeMoon currency. And SafeMoon wallet is coming, guys, and there will be no 10% fee if you use SafeMoon, right? I mean, that's huge for SafeMoon. And I'm going to show you the wallet here. Yeah, it's more than meets the eye. That's the SafeMoon wallet. I think it's going to have some fabulous features that SafeMoon is going to provide, whether it's the calculator, whether it's just the ease of use, whether it's sending SafeMoon to someone, receiving SafeMoon, and more importantly, you can pay in SafeMoon, as SafeMoon currency. So based on the app, if a bunch of your friends, we go to a restaurant and go to Starbucks or whatever, and we can share our SafeMoon payments, so something like that. Yeah, I was reading somewhere here. So this is absolutely huge too, not in terms of just for SafeMoon, but actually the crypto adoption, guys, as cryptocurrencies. So we're going to see SafeMoon currency. We're going to see Dogecoin. Already Elon Musk way behind Dogecoin, and yeah, he's going to take Dogecoin to the next level. It's just a matter of time. 2.5 million holders for SafeMoon, which is crazy success in just a short amount of time, about 3 months. That's amazing. That's just amazing. Oh, here it is. This is what I was talking to. Split the bill with SafeMoon wallet. I mean, that's amazing, right? So there you go. You have, once they come up with the app, and I think June 15th, if I'm not mistaken, is when SafeMoon beta version comes out, right? So you can split the bill with SafeMoon wallet. Not bad. Here's the app. Boom. Share it with your friends. Go buy something, whatever it is, and yeah, you can do it. Or just send SafeMoon from one to the other. So absolutely crazy, guys. This is absolutely wonderful. So this is SafeMoon, and the current price or the chart for SafeMoon is right here. Is at 0.0005046,237. Now this is kind of consolidating sideways, so hopefully we are going to see some breakout pretty soon, guys, pretty soon. And of course, if Bitcoin is accepted legally in the state of Texas, and the state of Texas also accepts other digital assets, right, which means SafeMoon, Dogecoin, and others, I think this is going to be crazy, and of course will give a huge boost to all the cryptos. And the crypto industry is definitely here to stay. And every major player, including the IRS, including the government of the United States, have recognized. The IRS has even, placed a new, entry into the tax forms, into the 1040 tax forms, where, if your gains of your cryptos are to be recorded, so you must declare in your taxes your profits, right, your gains in cryptos, yeah, or your losses. So it depends on once you offset, right, your gains or your losses. So typically it's gains, guys. Crypto is crazy. Like I say, it's a crazy world. So definitely we are way in early in crypto. People are still finding out the state of Texas is huge, and if Bitcoin is legal, you are going to see lots and lots of transactions in Bitcoin, many more investments pouring into Bitcoin, and as more states get it legalized and regulated. And that's really what I've been talking about for the last week and a half, every single day streaming, that once states get a grip on the regulations and they're able to understand and comprehend what's going on with crypto and what is this all about, we are going to see a huge breakout and adoption of crypto. So this market is going to grow from 2.5 trillion, where it is now approximately, and by the end of the year, crypto market may grow to maybe even 5 trillion to 10 trillion. I don't know, but this is crazy. And if that happens, we're looking at Bitcoin exceeding $100,000 as predicted, right? As predicted, even though Bitcoin is kind of down, but all these cryptos will definitely be somewhere to the moon, guys. That's crazy. That's crazy. So, all right. So this is all I had. I wanted to quickly run through this exciting breaking news about Texas just passing a bill legalizing Bitcoin, or it's the law. You can use it in commercial contracts. And same thing with other digital assets like Dogecoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and any other digital assets are also crazy. Many new developments with Cardano happening, many developments with Ethereum that is happening, and of course our Dogecoin and SafeMoon as well. And not to mention, of course, we have Promise Token that is also part of our portfolio. Hopefully that's going to pick up as we move forward once it adds more holders to it. So, all right, yeah, big shout out one more time in summary to Texas. Thanks so much, guys. You guys rock. Where's the bill? Let me show you the bill here. If you're just tuning in, there we go. So Texas Bitcoin bill gets Senate approval. It is now the law. The newly passed Bitcoin bill recognizes Bitcoin and other digital assets under the state's commercial laws. And of course, more than 25 additional states in the US are currently considering some form of blockchain or crypto regulation. So this is huge. All right. A couple of other quick news before I end the stream. One, in Africa, Nigerian central banks does a U-turn on Bitcoin ban, saying they now allow it. So this is, of course, only a couple of hours ago. This news is also huge if you look at other part of the world, in Africa, right? So the Central Bank of Nigeria, the governor, says he will allow the trading of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So boom, there you go. We are going to see Bitcoin at new levels, guys. And yeah, that's going to happen. That is happening. That will happen. We are going to see a huge spike, most likely over the weekend. This is going to be a crazy weekend. I don't know, but get ready, guys. Get ready. Be informed, like I say, right? So this is another news. Nigerian central bank does a U-turn on Bitcoin ban, saying they will now allow it. So aside from hitting the $2.5 trillion total market cap, not much has changed in the cryptoverse between now and then, at least not fundamentally. But this is really huge news for Bitcoin, right? All right. And I did cover yesterday, by the way, regarding Apple's latest job posting suggesting a new crypto aim. So Apple is getting into cryptocurrencies, and they're hiring people as crypto analysts and business development or partnership managers. I covered that in the yesterday stream. Go check it out. The Apple Crypto Exchange or Apple apps. It's just crypto everywhere, guys. Banks are crypto. Or enterprise organizations are crypto. States are even declaring crypto. You're going to be paying. States are going to be paying in Bitcoin. To employees, and that was the proposal by Miami mayor. That's crazy. All right, some more news. Bitcoin retests 40,000 as Biden announces $6 trillion budget. So yeah, it's going to back up to 40,000, and then hopefully we'll see a breakout of Bitcoin as well. And of course, it's up right now at about 39,000, somewhere around there. Then we have Ren launches Polygon Bridge with support for Bitcoin also. And this project announced the expansion, noting that Polygon is a home to the burgeoning DeFi ecosystem with obvious benefits for users. So this is another news I wanted to cover. And then, of course, we have our Texas news as always. Yeah, so that's all I have. I wanted to quickly run through this. Get ready, guys. The entire crypto bull market is coming, whether it starts today or over the weekend. But moving forward, it's nothing but crypto. And thank you so much again for Texas, by the way, for voting and making this a law. All right. So that's all I have. Thanks so much for tuning in. Certainly appreciate it. So if you're new, please consider subscribing and smash that like button before you go. Much appreciated. And InvestDesk is your number one channel, guys, for cryptocurrency research, daily news, updates, and forecasts. My Twitter handle is at invest_desk. Go check it out. And of course, click the follow button. That is much appreciated. My name is Syed, and have yourself a wonderful Thursday afternoon, or wherever you are in the world, morning, evening. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, and it's going to be a great weekend looking ahead. So thanks so much, and I will see you guys later. Have yourself a wonderful day.